everybody, Cindy the Scrapologist here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell below so you don't miss anything. I'm out treasure hunting again. Our antique stores are reopening, and so I have lots of things to put in my shop and lots of ideas for tutorials based on my search, and it's been lots of fun, so you don't want to miss anything coming up. So this treasure here that I found, I was so excited about. These are replicas of antique labels that you would have seen in the early to late 1800s. And let me show them to you one at a time. These are going to be in my shop. This one is a milliner's label. I don't know if this was maybe a hat band, I'm thinking. Maybe it went around the hat once they made the hat. I just don't know what these are. If you know, let me know in the comments below. I did a little bit of research. It looks like back in London, this says estimated 1823. It looks like there was a Madame Latouche that did hats. That was a milliner. So all of these are on a really nice quality paper too, that's a little bit textured. It's a little bit thicker than regular photocopy paper, but not much, not super thick. These particular ones are on white paper. The other ones are on ivory colored paper. This one I loved. I also got, okay, don't laugh at me. I know I'm addicted to buttons. I can't help it. Okay, I love buttons. I don't know why. Well, you can laugh at me if you want. But so look what I got. The same store, a huge thing of antique buttons, and it came with the jar. So I had to have this. And I can see in here there are so many gorgeous antique buttons. They are very dirty and need to be cleaned. But since the subject, top's coming off, I don't want to pick all these up. Since the subject is milliner, I thought it would be really pretty to put it as a label on some of my jars of buttons. And how pretty is this going to look up on my shelf over in my sewing area? So I thought that was a really nice use of this label, and I'm excited about that. The other one is this one, and this also is the same subject, Madame Latouche, a milliner. And the thing I liked about this, well, a couple of things. It's on ivory colored paper. I like the shape, the cool shape of it, and also I like this little banner down here, so you have room to label, to write something in there if you want. And then the last one I think might be my favorite. I don't know, I love them all, but this one is a bicycle company, and this particular label was on their a canister that held bicycle parts in it. And actually, I saw the real canister on eBay with this label on it, and that canister is going for $700. Whether they'll get that, I don't know. A lot of people on eBay put crazy prices, and they don't end up getting that. But it's obviously very old. And it says, I now point with pride to the productions of the handicraft and brain craft of those connected with this establishment during the last century. And it's also very masculine. We hardly ever find, at least I don't, I hardly ever find purely masculine things that I can put in journals. So really liked this one too. Oh, let me give you the sizes. The sizes will be in my listing, but this one's 9 inches tall, and this one's also 9 inches tall. So 9, 9, and 13. And I had a couple of ideas for these too. I haven't really started playing with them yet because I have a lot to do, but I thought that this would look really nice on the cover of a journal. So I may do that with this book that I'm repairing, and I'm trying to think about what I want to do with this. This is real leather here. But I think that that would look really super nice there, especially if I distress it with my Tim Holtz vintage photo or something else. I also did a bookmark with this one, and they're fun to color too. I just started doing a little doodling, a little coloring with my colored pencils on this one. Didn't do a whole lot yet, and I backed it on a harder, thicker cardstock, and just made a bookmark out of it. So I think that that's a cool use, but because these are paper, obviously you can do anything you want with them. Collage, put them in your journals. This would even look cool in a journal folded in half so that it's this on one page, and then when you flip it you'd see this guy. You know what to do. You guys are all clever crafters. So there are my finds for today. I have a bunch more that I'm going to be putting in my shop. I have a lot of videos that I've done that I'm needing to tweak and post and get things in my shop. So keep an eye out if there's something in a video that you really like. So that's it for today. The link for these in my shop is listed below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.